Holy shit. Excuse me?
Before I got this one, I had a single arm. It's like a naked version of this.
I'm sorry.
No, it's sorry.
Yo, what? What the fuck? Damn, Beamers, bro. M5. Okay. Sheesh. Clean.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. God, yeah. Oh, they got two. God. Sheesh. My bad, bro. Damn. This thing is nice. Got another M5. Hell yeah. God damn. Look at that. Damn. Look at that carbon fiber's voided, bro. God damn. Focus on this M4 though. Oh my goodness, look at this beauty. Truly beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. The Mustang. Okay. See? Fucking nice. M5. The internal intake. 3. Oh yeah. You know, we're just chilling here with the guys.
Everybody was out the window.
Z01. Oh my. I'm too slow. M2. Fire.
Yeah, right.
Oh my goodness.
Do you think that gold foil actually helps though? I'm actually debating on that too, to be honest.
Oh my god.
Why not?
Beauty. thing is nice. This thing is nice. Oh my god. Holy shit. Hell yeah.
De correr con el güey este. Este trae 550, me dijo.
God
No me
damn. Damn, Wendy's. Fuck. Holy shit. Hell yeah.
Yesterday I was speaking and I was thinking,
Oh yeah, dude. Bro,
hey,
look.
Carlos. And I'm like, hey, bro. And then I turn around and he goes,
What the
Bro,
fuck?
when you was trying to talk to me the whole time, I was like, and I went like this, bro. I went,
I was about to whip out my phone, bro.
and
And he goes,
yeah.
What
He's
the
like-
why?
he starts,
Bro, no, my aura was telling me that this fool was gonna start recording.
I was so close, bro.
That was good up there.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Right hand drive too? I knew it was a GT. God. God damn. Sheesh. Oh my god, look at this thing. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Yellow DRLs, carbon hood, carbon grille, carbon front lip. This thing is a beauty. One Beamer, the one from earlier again. We got another M2. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Can't ever go wrong with these M2s.